Every drop of pure virgin oil begins with fresh, mature, tropical coconuts. Solid weight and dry husk, ready for batching. First batch is loaded, keep the line rolling. Incoming batch from the morning harvest, check the shell density.
Hairline fracture near the eye, this one won't pass extraction grade.
Only flawless mature coconuts advance to the cracking line.
Fresh morning harvest is fully staged and ready for the sorting line.
Rolling this batch straight to the primary grading table.
These mature brown husks have the ideal density for high oil yield.
Thousands of harvested coconuts arrive daily, demanding rigorous selection before processing.
Every single shell must be solid and mature before entering the extraction line.
High-voltage industrial motors engage, initiating continuous, high-torque automated processing. Beyond the sorting threshold lies the automated heart of the facility. Strict hygienic standards ensure purity at every stage of production. Automated conveying systems initiate the first phase of mechanical handling.
Batch 54 is moving on to the primary line now.
Steady along the tracks toward the preparation station.
Line 2 calibration is optimal and ready for dehusking.
Automated wedge blades exert precise mechanical torque to peel the dense outer husk. Dense coir strands shear away cleanly, stripped by constant automated rotational tension. Stripped of its outer layer, the hardened inner shell is fully revealed for inspection.
Each dehusked coconut is carefully aligned for a clean mechanical split.
A calibrated mechanical strike fractures the hardened shell along its natural seam. Splitting the shell exposes the pristine white meat, rich in natural aromatic oil.
Automated precision scoops separate the dense white meat cleanly from the hard outer shell. Shell fragments drop into byproduct chutes while the pure kernel continues down the line. Only the thickest, purest kernel is selected for premium cold-pressed extraction.
Every single batch must be checked for foreign residue before washing. Removing even the smallest testa fragment guarantees absolute clarity in the oil.
A multi-stage water flume cleanses the kernels under continuous aeration. Pressurized, purified water jets blast every crevice, stripping away residual microscopic particles. Continuous hydro-scrubbing guarantees an immaculate raw surface ready for extraction. Gleaming and pristine, the washed kernels elevate toward the next stage of processing. Surface moisture is thoroughly cleared to ensure maximum oil extraction purity.
Grinder RPM and internal chamber temperature are within optimal specifications.
Evenly sized kernel chunks feed continuously into the rotary disintegrator. High-speed stainless steel blades shear the firm coconut meat with micron-level precision. Within seconds, the meat is pulverized into an ultra-fine, snowy matrix of fresh coconut granules. The freshly grated coconut discharges in a steady stream, ready for immediate cold pressing. Each fine granule holds concentrated virgin oils, primed for mechanical separation. Conveyors steadily deliver the fresh material into the cold press extraction system. Tremendous mechanical force compresses the mass, initiating the cold extraction process. The grated coconut feeds directly into the high-torque screw press chamber. Continuous mechanical pressure crushes the fibers, breaking the oil-bearing cell walls. A rich emulsion of virgin oil and coconut milk emerges through the fine filtration slots. Under steady mechanical force, dense droplets coalesce into rich streams of pure emulsion. The unrefined milk surges through stainless channels, ready for intermediate storage. Collected in sanitary holding tanks, the frothy emulsion prepares for precision separation. With moisture and oil extracted, the dense, fibrous cake discharges continuously. A sample reveals a chalk-white emulsion, rich in natural fats and moisture. This dense, unrefined emulsion is now prepared for centrifugal separation. At this stage, the pure virgin oil remains completely locked inside the milky emulsion.
The emulsion must travel through the high-speed centrifuge line without temperature spike.
Sealed stainless channels surge the raw milk straight into the high-velocity separation chamber. High-pressure sanitary pumps drive the dense emulsion toward the separation phase.
Centrifuge Bank 1 is coming online at nominal rotational speed.
Thousands of gravities of force will now separate pure virgin oil without applying heat. Precise digital control ensures the centrifuge hits exact rotational velocity for optimal phase separation. Thousands of revolutions per minute create the extreme centrifugal forces required to unbind the natural emulsion. Denser water and fine solids are forced outward, allowing pure, pristine virgin oil to gather effortlessly at the core. Dense aqueous proteins and residual water are expelled downward through the lower bypass. At the upper outlet, the sterile sight glass waits for the pure phase to rise. A single silent breath before the virgin oil reveals its clarity. At peak centrifugal velocity, pure virgin coconut oil separates completely, rising clear as water. The unheated, unrefined oil glides smoothly through sanitary lines without chemical additives. Every drop demonstrates absolute clarity, holding its natural aroma and vital nutrients intact. Every drop of pure oil begins within the dense, protective fiber of the harvested coconut. Once cracked, the pristine white endosperm reveals the rich natural lipids locked inside. Cold pressing releases a rich, velvety emulsion ready for precision separation. Centrifugal force cleanly isolates the purest liquid oil with total optical clarity.
Buffer tank levels are stable and ready for final microfiltration.
Automated manifolds regulate fluid velocity as the oil enters multi-stage filtration.
Pressure levels across the multi-plate filter remain completely steady.
Microscopic pores capture any remaining trace sediments under strict vacuum control. The pristine oil rests in stabilization vessels to achieve perfect optical clarity.
Drawing the quality test sample directly from the stabilization line. Clarity and viscosity look exceptional right out of the vessel.
Beginning the moisture and refractive index tests for final certification. Drawing an exact 2 milliliter aliquote for visual clarity and optical index testing. Zero turbidity detected, confirming optimal filtration and complete moisture separation. Applying the sample to calibrate moisture percentage and refractive purity on the digital analyzer. Moisture levels and refractive purity meet all certified export standards. Batch certified for bottling. Initiating packaging line feed.
With quality verified, the automated bottling line commences synchronized high-speed packaging. Sterile amber glass bottles feed seamlessly onto the high-speed intake conveyor. Ionized air blasts through every inverted bottle to ensure absolute microscopic purity. The pristine bottles align beneath the multi-head carousel, ready for precision volumetric filling. Automated dispensing nozzles lock into position to ensure zero contamination. Crystal clear virgin coconut oil flows steadily under calibrated pressure. Each bottle is filled to the exact millimeter before moving to the capping stage. Each perfectly measured bottle advances seamlessly down the line toward automated hermetic sealing. A calibrated torque chuck fastens the tamper-evident cap, locking in pristine freshness and aroma. High-precision pressure rollers apply the product labels seamlessly around each rotating bottle. Each label adheres seamlessly, sealing the identity of the virgin oil. Precise laser etching guarantees complete traceability for every single batch.
Fill levels, seals, and label alignments all pass standard specifications.
Automated robotic arms carefully group the inspected bottles into custom shipping cartons. High-speed case sealers fold and secure each box with durable reinforced tape. The sealed cartons are systematically palletized, primed for worldwide distribution. Every drop of pure virgin oil begins high in the tropical canopy. Cracking the tough outer shell unlocks the fresh, nutrient-dense white meat. Precision milling transforms the solid meat into finely textured, snowy flakes ready for pressing. Mechanical screw presses extract rich coconut milk under strictly monitored low temperatures. High-speed centrifugal force isolates the pure oil from water and solids in seconds. The result is crystal clear virgin coconut oil, completely unrefined and pure. From pure extraction to pristine packaging, each drop meets uncompromising standards. Every pure bottle begins right here, in the honest weight of the harvest.
And this is the result: pure, crystalline perfection in every single bottle.
Every drop is refined through pure precision and state-of-the-art technological harmony. From nutrient-rich tropical harvest to pristine, unadulterated, cold-pressed perfection. Pure, natural, and untouched, the true essence of virgin coconut oil. From sustainable groves to advanced technology, every drop honors its origin. Nurtured by nature, every palm yields the pure essence of the tropics. Seeing the whole grove flourish makes every single effort worthwhile. From tropical groves to pure perfection, nature's essence is captured with uncompromising care.